Okay, so on the bench today we have a Dynamite Düx. This was a PCB that was just tossed aside garbage, and I just thought to myself, oh well, let's see if we can get it up and running. And as far as I can see, the only thing it's missing is this here, and this might just be like a boot ROM. I see the custom is here, this custom is here. It looks like all the ROMs are here, but if not, I'm sure we can burn a ROM or two that need to be in here. CPU looks like it's here. I don't know if it's any good or not, but again, I mean, I got some CPUs if they need to come out. Everything looks like it's here. Now it's non-JAMA, so I'd have to figure out what's what here, but that's no big deal. I got an adapter here that will work. I can make an adapter. That's no big deal. So yeah, there's probably no point in booting it up without this. It'll need this for sure. Let me see if I can figure out what this is. It's obviously a 40-pin dip, but I don't know what, exactly what ROM is on here. Yeah, this thing is it's in bad shape. There's Robertson screws through it and stuff, and I don't know if you can see, there's mouse pee, there's mouse poop. You know what I mean? So yeah, this is in pretty rough shape, but I do see it's got the PALs, or that PAL anyways. I don't know if there's any others, but there probably is. That can't be the only one. I believe this can also be an Alien Storm with the proper ROMs and everything. So, yeah. Let me see what I can do with this, and I will be back. Okay, well, this is pretty awesome. So I just threw it together real quick just to see what's going on here. And when I first booted it up, nothing. Like, I mean, literally nothing. So I went through, and I just pressed down on this custom here, this Hitachi. I'm not sure what CPU is actually in there, but we all know how flaky that is on me, so we are going to have to figure out something else besides that. But check this out. Oh, now it's not going to boot. Just want to make sure that's okay. Hang on here 1 second, because it wasn't booting at all, and it still looks like it's still not booting. Okay, give me a second here. I got a feeling it's something to do with this, either this socket or something here. It's definitely something in this area right here. I thought that it would need this, and apparently it doesn't, because I saw the game running. So give me 2 seconds here. Yep. So literally, all I did was move it. Like, I don't know what socket that's sitting in. Yeah, obviously you can tell why, right? It's one of those, what do they call it? Oh, I can't remember. What do they call them? Turnstile, or not turnstile. You guys know what I'm talking about. But check this out. It's definitely that socket. Boom. It is definitely that socket. That's just that stupid thing. Yes. That is running. I don't know what that's all about, or if that's normal. Oh, it's slowing down. I thought maybe it was some kind of security thing. You know, sometimes games have security things where they, like Bubble Bobble, where you won't get the proper extra letters because of the security chip on bootlegs, whatever. But yeah, that's up and running. That is unbelievable. That's what it was. It's this socket that's under here. I'm loving that. That is a super, super easy fix. Now, as for the mouse poop and stuff, this board's going to need a good clean, obviously. So that's going to have to be part of this video, so that this video is not super, super, super short here. But I would have thought for sure it would need that. I mean, all the other boards I see, the PCBs of this, have that. Unless I'm missing something here, which I should hook up some sound and do a coin up and stuff like that. But, I mean, preliminary results, yeah, I'm liking that. Yep, I like that. Okay, we got sound. Yep, we got sound. I had to turn the sound on by taking the demo mode sound from off to on the dip switch too. But for some reason, I can't coin up. And when I checked the pinouts of this, something is not right here. As in, they don't have... You can see that I definitely have blue here. And there's nothing wrong. There's nothing wrong with the image I have. Nothing. That is exactly what it's supposed to look like. But the pinouts that I'm showing is blues on the other side. Sync is on top, which it's not. You can clearly see composite sync is on the bottom. Sorry, where am I here? So green is on the bottom, red, blue's on the top, and then composite sync on the bottom. And the pinouts I'm showing is opposite, and that's obviously not it. So it's showing that pin 21 and 22, or 20 and 21 are coin up, and they're not. Because I cannot coin up. So I don't know if that's an issue we're having here, or if just the pinouts are just completely wrong. I'm showing, some of them are showing like 12 volts way down here. No, that's definitely not right. It's definitely not right. You can follow it. This is right. Ground 5 and 12. And this is right, and speaker's right. But I don't know what is going on here. That chip is missing, but on all the boards I see it populated. Is that what's causing the issue? All right, I'm going to clean this board here. I just got to make sure I keep everything 20, 18, 17. And then missing 2. And then it looks like we have, what is this? 916, 915, 14, 13, 12. I'm just got to take a look at how things are here. And then missing everything. This, and then missing 2, 23, 22, missing 2, 21, and 20. 21, 20. Okay, so that's how it should be. Okay, yep, it's definitely this. This is not just a ROM. This is an MPU, right? And without this, coin up and controls don't work. I just verified that. Somebody wrote a blog about it, and that's what it is. That's what's missing, and that's what's causing the issue. So without that, I mean, okay, great, the board's up and running, but without that, it's unplayable, and there's no good dump of it. There's nothing you can do. As far as I can tell right now, there's nothing you can do about it. So what the hell do I do now? This might be the end of this video. That's what it is. I mean, first it wouldn't run because of this, which that was just a, it just wasn't sitting in the socket properly. It wasn't clean. Now it is, but without this, toast. So yep, while it's completely working without that MPU that holds the encryption, none of the inputs, all the inputs are dead. No wonder I have continuity from here to where they should be, but the data lines are dead until I actually put, one to ground. That's when it shows up, but it shows up as a high instead of a low, like it's not being pulled low. It should start high, I'm assuming. It should start high and pull to a low whenever a signal is in. Well, without that, that's going to be at the end of this one, so I don't know what he's going to want to do with this, but that sucks. Unless he's got another System 16 that's got that. I mean, he might, but yeah, that's where we're gonna end this one, and we'll start on something else. So I'll see you in the next one.